Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we go take our time, analyze wetin dey happen in Aso Rock. We go take our time. So, these people, what do they call the PDP political party, anyhow when you want call am, and the channel television, and everybody in general when in that country. Now them we will talk about today. As in the expose when the NSA, the National Security Advisor of that country, the expose when it don't make again things, when it don't let the whole world know again about the man in Aso Rock, about the monster in Aso Rock called Jubril from Sudan. Now the matter we will dive into. Nah. PDP and the channel television, they not let us hear word in that country. Most especially that channel television, they not let people hear word. It don't take when that channel television they collabo with the FG. It don't take when PDP people. That is why we tell them I say people when they inside PDP say equals to people when they inside APC. Because PDP they follow cover up. All this cover up when they happen in Nigeria regarding the foreign man when be a Sudanese, when they inside Aso Rock, when they parade himself like Buhari. Now the whole world don't know. A whole national security advisor. I ain't gonna come out again. That one now they cannot don't talk him. Aisha Buhari don't talk. All of us don't talk. Now again, the chief security advisor when be Babagina Monguno, he don't come out. Tell the whole world say that man when they inside Aso Rock, not be Buhari. He don't tell the whole world again say that man when they call Abba Kyari, na him be on a president. With the Madman Daura, because you cannot see Abba Kyari without Madman Daura. Because Madman Daura na the boss of all boss in Aso Rock. Then Abba Kyari, now that one in the sun they come out because Abba Kyari, according to what we know, Abba Kyari na Madman Daura boy. Or you can call him puppet. But at the same time, not be ordinary puppet because that guy, now him they enjoy everything that is called presidency in that country. The man what they call Abba Kyari. So, my question today, since all of us now don't see again where another person can come out, can they tell us waiting they happen in Aso Rock and who be that person when they preside regarding Nigerian resources, regarding everything that is called Nigeria. The man don't come and tell us in Abba Kyari. So, ona when be the one what they call on ourselves, say na ona be the main opposition, which is the PDP, where on a power day. Atiku Abubakar, Uche Secondus, all na cronies, I say all on our members, where on a power day now when somebody, a whole national security advisor don't come and tell on say that man when they that place, not be Buhari. Say na Abba Kyari be the main person when they control everything, when they manipulate everything in that country. PDP people, led by Atiku Abubakar and Uche Secondus, where on a power day to stand up against this monster where they call Abba Kyari and the impostor where they call Jubril. Where on a power day, PDP. PDM, where on a power day. ABGA, where on a day. ADC, where on a day. APA, Funky DC, where on a day. PPA, where on a day. Accord, political party, where on a day. ABP, where on a day. APM, I say, well, na day, AA, where all of una power there. When una they claim say una be the main opposition when they that country. But something like this they happen. Still, you go see some PDP kakus or some PDP evil people. Then go come and they still they call say, oh, make Buhari resign. Make Buhari resign.
Which Buhari?
Already. Babagina, when be Monguno, don't tell me say Buhari not dead there. Which Buhari una they talk say make him resign. I say channel television. This revelation when Babagina, when be the NESA. This is revelation from Kidise. Make una come out. Make una analyze the matter. Make we talk about the matter because the matter concerns everybody. The matter na national matter. Not be PDP matter, not be APC matter. This matter concerns every Nigerian person. Nigerian people, Nnamdi Kanu don't talk to una. Aisha Buhari don't talk to una. All of una dey there. Una see the look. They talk say make Buhari resign. Which Buhari una they talk say make him resign? When we don't know say Buhari don't die. If that Buhari dey alive, make una bring that man come out. Make the world see that Buhari. We need this man DNA. If una still they claim say na Buhari be that, we need that man DNA. So that we go confirm say na Buhari be that. Already, all of us know say that man when they there, na impostor from Sudan. So all these political parties, when they claim say they be opposition, mostly these PD people, when they want hang into power by all means, when they want hijack power by all means, at the end of the day, the PDP, the fit still go bring an impostor join. Because I know say Atiku Abubakar himself don't still old. So I don't tell now before say no difference between the Buhari himself and Atiku Abubakar. Okay, check it out today now. Even in Nnamdi Kanu don't tell Atiku Abubakar make him use and campaign. Make him tell the man say make him go bring his DNA test. You know, remember that time when Nnamdi Kanu made the revelation. Atiku Abubakar himself, because all of them they play to this people's gallery. All of them be the same thing. Atiku na Northerner. Buhari when don't die na Northerner. Jubri na foreigner. Abba Kyari na Northerner. Madman Dara Northerner. That's why you say Atiku they play along with these people 247. My challenge when they throw to these people be say when be Atiku Abubakar them. Now I don't hear them again. Una don't hear them again from the horse's mouth. This one an insider in Aso Rock. Don't come out now, can't tell the world, the whole world say na Abba Kyari na him be una president. Say Buhari not dey there. Then I say my challenge be say make una come out, drag Buhari come out. Making go show us is that man in Aso Rock, the monster, the real monster, when be the Jubri. Everybody don't know how much they take contract this guy. The whole world don't know all this story. Why una they hide all these things? So as una continue to keep quiet, now make from Kidi they tell una say, Boko Haram, Hesmin, ISWAP, the ISIS people, the kidnappers, then go continue to the ramp all of una one after the other. Then go continue to the come on a domot one after the other until una go realize the lies when I don't tell Nigerian people. Because we know say the foundation of APC and PDP na lies. Now why your political party? There is never a time when PDP man or APC man come out can't tell Nigerian people the truth. Look at what happened. Ladies and gentlemen, this one a treasonable felony. Pure treasonable felony by Madman Daura and Abba Kyari, and nobody they talk. Then people when we say they not do anything. Now that one I will just jump come and say they do treasonable felony. This is the treasonable felony. Atiku Abubakar and all the whole political parties when did that country make una rise up. All the whole political party when did that country from Kidi say make una rise up. This one a total oppression, total intimidation, total anarchy, total fraud. total treasonable felony committed by Man Daura against 200 million Nigerian people. Man Daura and Abba Kyari. So tell me, PDP did there, they won't hang on power. Okay, look at now that they tell them, say, this man won't be president, not be Nigerian person. Una no one given them the Kanu credit. Aisha Buhari come out, the same thing. Everybody quiet. Now, this one a national security advisor. When they tell them, say, the thing when Abba Kyari they do, now him make Boko Haram terrorists full everywhere. Now him make ISWAP or ISIS full everywhere. Now him make kidnappers and killings they rampart in that country. The man they preside, not being supposed they there. That is why everybody have to believe, say, really and truly, that Buhari, when we know before, that Buhari, when people know before, that man not there alive again. The Buhari, when Buba Galadima know before, the Buhari, when Yanka know before, the Buhari, when they marry Aisha Buhari before, that man not there alive again. So if you know they claim, say that man there alive, we need that man DNA right now. Nigerian people, una got to rise up. The people when they do now, all of them when they are so rock there, then be impostors. Look at what happened yesterday inside the same Aso Rock. When we say now there the whole security when they Nigeria, you know, now there start and now there end. Somebody they waka enter inside Aso Rock, they assassinate people. And that's assassination. They don't trace them again. They still link to the same man when be Abba Kyari, according to waiting the news from Nigeria, they tell us. So all these political parties, when we say una one become, this one at the time when we supposed to stand up to una feet to challenge those Aso Rock cabals because they not get 10 heads. They not get 100 heads. The same one head when they get, now him una get. Una say una one become. Somebody they do all these things openly. Somebody they commit treasonable felony. According to the way one they put them in that same country. Una they there. See they wait, say, make manna fall from heaven or make God come remove them. Come out. This one a total oppression by the Northerners. They not work hard. They hijack the government according to waiting with the read, according to waiting we know, according to the whole informations when we already get. They overthrow the elected president of the country. PDP did there, Atiku Abubakar did there, and won't become president, and this kind of a thing, they on ground. Una see they waka, they talk, say, I make Buhari resign. Make Buhari, where that Buhari they go on, they call say making resign. When they don't tell us, say Buhari not there. Una they walk up and down, they go do some protest. They go fumble outside embassies. The place, the right time when una supposed act, una no go act. The right thing when una supposed do, una no go do am. Una go they do to the deceive Nigerian people. To they join them, to they deceive Nigerian people the more. From Kidi say, this one at the time when una supposed rise up on una feet. This one at the time when Nigerian people, Nigeria supposed to break up. Everybody supposed to go their way. With this latest revelation, although we know all these things, but people now will not believe before. All of them now don't they believe waiting we don't they talk since 2017 they come. All of them don't they believe waiting now they cannot they talk they come. And still you go see some people that go say, oh, now God now then go judge and go this way, then go judge and go that way, you know. At the end of the day, everybody go sit down. And then you know, go they wait for 2023 to come. 2023, before 2023 come. Hesmen, Boko Haram, ISWAP, they don't finish everybody. Because now that same Islamization agenda, now him they won't take whole all of them to ransom. When be the Northerners. Because they don't study Nigerian people well. They don't see Nigerian people, all of them are mugu. And then that's so then go they whack ona they go. Because they say ona be mugu. Una be their mugu. They know say no matter what them do to una no go fist stand up. Even if una see that man where they call Abba Kyari carry gun, they kill people in the street, una no go fit still do anything. So that is why Abba Kyari will continue to do waiting in they do until all of una go rise up. That is why Herdsmen and Boko Haram go continue to do waiting that they do until all of una go rise up. That is why Nigeria will remain a shithole country until all of una go rise up. The time is running against everybody. Until when una go see the full rat from all these terrorists. Now that time una go know. And at that time, you go don't dey too late. That is our plan, to make sure say them set everybody into confusion. Go check wetin news in Nigeria that they tell you about this man when be Abba Kyari. You know say Abba Kyari, an old man of more than 80-something years, in within his criminal madman daura. Go check them when they deal with young able-bodied men when food out Nigeria. And you see Uche Secondus or but the other man Atiku come and come to say yes, Buhari this make it go. What resign what? What is he resigning for? Una no say na impostor from Sudan. Waiting in they resign for. Instead of una go talk straight to Abba Kyari when they do una, all of una know. Because una no one give Nnamdi Kanu credit. That credit Nnamdi Kanu hold on forever and ever for revealing that monster in Aso Rock. Those monsters, plenty monsters did that Aso Rock. You get. So, ladies and gentlemen, I saw the matter be if una sit down, this man go continue to deal with una. I don't tell una before say if then they put hand inside your eye, you see they do like say you they fear. Then they go they come they go. Then go they come. Then go they push until when they go round everybody up. Now that time, una go realize waiting Abba Kyari mean in that country. Abba Kyari, an old man. Now they deal with PDP where they claim say they won't come.